I do not personally believe that your property manager and your real estate agent should be the same person. I've always felt that that was a conflict of interest. I'm Kim Ottaviani with Rex Rentals and Realty. We're a property management company in St. Petersburg, Florida. Before you invest, what do you need to know? That's today's subject. When you go out to make that investment, you need to be able to buy a property that what I like to call are good bones. What do I mean by good bones? Something that is solid. The foundation is solid. The walls are solid. The roofing structure is solid. You don't need to be buying something that you need to put a lot of money into, except cosmetically. People don't see behind the walls. They don't care that you just rebuilt all the walls. What they want to see is that nice new kitchen. So know what you're looking at before you buy it. Good bones, right? If the property is built before 1978, the EPA says that you have to have a lead paint inspection completed. That's a very important tool. I believe you need to have a good inspection company that does it. That's separate than the next company we're going to talk about. If the property has too much lead in it, don't buy it. There's so many more properties out there that you'll be able to invest in and not have to spend 3 times the amount of money for a normal repair on a property that has lead-based paint. The next inspection that you really need to have done is what's known as a latent defects inspection. What this guy is a general contractor that knows the ins and outs of buildings. He'll be inspecting the roof, he'll be inspecting the electrical, he'll be inspecting the plumbing, he'll be inspecting also the mechanical. Mechanical in a building is your heating, air conditioning, and also the water heater. So then after that, oh my, there's another inspection? Yep. In Florida in particular, you need to have woodborne or wood organism destroying testing done. Most people call it the termite inspection. Once you move forward to make that inspection and everything looks great, then you have to start looking at your rental analysis. This is an important factor. And every investor that I've worked with over my periods of time, every one of us, including myself, has a different rate of return on investment that we're comfortable with. So you need to really understand yours and what makes you tick and what you think your long-term goals are. So you need to put together your team. And your team should include a property manager. You're going to discover you're not going to be able to do all the ins and outs by yourself. You want to have a great property manager that you have good confidence in. You're going to want to have also a very good real estate agent to find those investments and work with you on contracts and negotiating. I do not personally believe that your property manager and your real estate agent should be the same person. I've always felt that that was a conflict of interest. You're going to need yourself, as I said, that good general contractor to be able to help you make those inspection decisions. You're also going to need a good real estate attorney and a CPA. That's your team building. Know what you're getting into before you buy, and your long-term investments will be great and help you create wealth. Hope you enjoyed today's segment. I'm Kim Ottaviani with Rex Rentals and Realty, and have a great day.